Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn one more package, Laravel Messenger. In our Laravel application, we need message and set module. That time this package is very useful. If we implement manually, we need to create everything, but this package gives us everything in single command. So let me open official documentation and we can install this Laravel Messenger with the composer. So first of all, I going to install this package in my this app. So let's fire composer require and it's installing and it's successfully installed. Then we need to add provider into the app.php. So let's open and put this here. And then we need to publish the config. So use this command and put in terminal and just fire and create config file. So it's default config file. Let's open. So here message class participant thread everything means all these models relate with this name in config. So use this model and here is table name. If you want to use different table name, you can create on tables and just use here and specify here. So this package use that package instead of default package provided by this package. Now we need to publish migrations. So let's use this command and put it here again into the terminals, and all the migrations are created in migration directory. Let me show you. All red colored text are newly created by this package based on the requirement. Messages, threads, and participants, which is specified by default. And if you want to use different name here, you need to specify into the configurations. So migration is set up and done, but we need to run migration command php attrition migrate. So this all packages create into the database. Let me show you and refresh this php and you will see those newly created participant messages and threads. Now next is we need to configure user model and we need to add this messageable threads into the user model. So let's open user model and configure here. Just copy and paste here and import here. Do not forget to add here. If you are using another editor, you can copy from here and just paste in your application, but do not forget. So basic setup is done. Now we're going to create one examples for the messenger. So by default, examples given here, routes, views, and everything. So here is routes and here layouts and all the blades given. We need to download this and then we need to put in our applications. This is message controllers. But in this package, I create one commands and put PR. Maybe author needs to review and maybe he will merge and release new version and we can use. But I create one PR. So we no need to download, no need to copy, paste, and I did some changes in routes with latest syntax of Laravel here. So I'm going to make some change in my local first of all, and then I publish all the assets in one command. So let's see this installed, and this is the command where we publish migrations. And now I'm going to put this here, and then use this command. So all these view layouts means layouts, view, and message controllers, everything generated properly here. And we need to make one change here right now. I updated in mine because now user is in, let's confirm path, its models. Yeah. In older version, user directly inside this app directory, but now Laravel introduce new model directory and by default placed in models directories. So we need to make this change in this controller. I already done in my PR here. So I think we are good. Also, I updated routes and used these latest methods. So not get any error, and we just use these routes. So this route not published. So next step is we need to open web.php and put all the routes here and import this message controller. Now I think we are done with the basic setups. So let's log in. Let me register first. We need to put one link here so we can open message. So yes, I think we missed something from the routes. We need to put this group. It's fine here. And now you can see message default UI created. Here is home message and create new message. Here is user from the systems. I have three users, one I logged in and other two users, so I can select and tag in these messages. So testing, this is testing message. So see participant, creator, and this message is testing. Right now it's 0 testing. Yes, here is wrong method. Maybe I specify wrong method in my peer. I need to change. But yeah, it's you can see, and we can send another message if want to do, and we can reply on same message. So this is internal message service, and you can use easily. So yeah, this is a great package. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.